Hello guys, welcome to my Java series. In previous session, we discussed some points like how to implement comparator, comparator functional interface that we discuss. How to sort a data with ascending order and descending order that also we discuss. Yes or no? So in this session, I'm going to explain what is the anonymous class and how it is a different from a lambda expression. Many people think like lambda expression and anonymous class both are same, but I want to tell you both are not same. Okay, before going to that discussion, I want to explain one more example with collection of lambda expression. So just look at guys, I will create one file here. This is my test4. I will create here test5, test5.java. Okay, not called Java. Okay, just remember this point. This is my main method. It's as usual. Yes or no? I will create here one student class, like a class student. It has some name, string name, and student ID. Student ID. Yes, ID. Okay. I have to pass some data to constructor. So I will write here one constructor, student, just string name, comma, int SID. Look at guys, this dot name equal to name SID. This is my parameterized constructor. Okay. So I want to print this data. Suppose I create here one object that is a student S1 equal to new student. I pass here like uh, like here Ganesh and student ID is 12. Okay. Just remember guys, when I trying to print this object S1, then internally which method is called? Which method is called? ToString method will be called. ToString method will call. When I print this, then internally ToString method will call. When I print this object, we will not get Ganesh and 12. We will get hash code. Because internally implementation of a ToString method is a different. We need to override that method. So look at guys, look at run Java. Okay. Look at student at the rate. This is a hash code. If you are getting like a class name, any name, class name, like employee or at the rate symbol or any hexadecimal value like a 24 A B, then it is a hash code. It is called as hash code. It is a hash code. Okay. What is the hash code? With this hash code, we can identify the object. This is called as a hash code syntax, or it is the structure of a hash code. Okay. This is a defined internally toString method with toString method. Okay. I want to tell. I will override toString method. That is a public string toString. Okay. Just return here. First, I will return SID. The name is like a yes name. Okay. Sorry, not name. Yes name. Only name. Okay. So I override the toString method. If you want to see the internal implementation, just go to string class. There is a string method, string class. Okay, Control F, toString. I want to see the toString implementation. toString. I think that is available in the object class that I want to show you. Like object. Just look at guys. Control F to string. Yes, look at guys. Get class dot get name @ symbol, and this is a hex string. It is a hash code. It is a hash code. So these all called as a hash code. Okay. I hope you understood. So internally, toString method is different. The internal implementation of a toString method is different. But when I write or when I override this toString method implementation, just look at guys. I system.out.println I print s1 object, then we will get output 12 and Ganesh. Yes or no? Yes or no? Just look at guys. Yes, 12 and Ganesh. So I want to sort this data with some ascending order or descending order or alphabetically order. So how to do that? That is my requirement. So just look at guys. I will create here one array list. Like array list. This is my string, or I will pass here integer. Okay, just remember al equal to new array list. Okay, I created here one array list. Al dot, I want to create some objects. So how to create object? Just pass here al dot add new student. Sorry, we need to pass here student. Okay, so I will pass here name, that is Ganesh. First is student is Ganesh. This is like a 12. Like this, I will add some more objects. So look at, here is a Rahul. There is a 15. I will pass here Ramu 20, 30. Okay. Akash, I will pass here suppose 45. Sagar, pass here. I will pass 33, 32. Okay. Just look at. I want to sort this data with these values. How to sort? Yesterday we discussed a comparator. Yes or no? Guys? Yesterday we discussed a comparator. So how to sort this data? I want to show you. Before going to start, I want to give one message here before sorting. How to print this data? S1 al only. So after sorting, I will give one message here after sorting. Okay, just look at guys, how to sort. Just write here collections. There is one utility class, collections. See here, this is collections, not collection. Collection is an interface. This is a collections dot sort method is there. In sort method, it is expecting two arguments. First one is a, second one is a comparator. So I can write here comparator C. Yes or no? Are you understanding guys? I need to implement this. Okay, sorry. How to implement this? Just control plus. Okay, sorry. Okay, just go to comparator cannot result type. Okay, it's expecting something like a student. Okay, so look at, if it is not taking, then I will pass here one lambda expression, because it is a functional interface. It is a functional interface. If you want to implement a functional interface, just simply write here. Just simply write here in comparator. Yesterday we discussed there is a already predefined class, predefined logic. Sorry, import java.util. Okay. Now I will pass comparator C. So look at, error is gone. Error is there only. Arrays dot sort. Okay, I will directly pass here. It's expecting one lambda expression. Okay. So yesterday we discussed there is a one logic, there is a, if argument one, if argument one is less than argument two, then it will return, negative value. Yes or no? If argument one is greater than argument two, then it will return positive value. Yes or no? If both are equal, argument one equal to argument two, then definitely it will return zero. Return zero. Then we can say both arguments are same. Yes or no, guys? So this logic is already available in the which method? Compare method. Yes or no? Yesterday we implement a comparator interface. In comparator interface, there is a one comparator method, compare method, which is expecting a two arguments. Yes or no? So there two arguments, like I want to provide a implementation for that method. So right here, like I1 and I2. Okay, this is my lambda expression. So it will return like suppose I1 is less than I2, then definitely it will return minus 1. Yes or no? If suppose this is my another condition, if I1 is greater than I2, then definitely it will return positive value. Else 0, it will return 0. Yes or no? Are you understanding, guys? Are you understanding? So look at, guys, somewhere we get error here. Why we will get error here? Okay. I need to write here. Uh, suppose in stage 4, how we written yesterday. Have you written yesterday? Okay. Just look at. Okay. Both are same. Yes, correct. I write correctly. I wrote here correct. Then I'm getting error. Okay. Directly I will store this. In one variable. Then we can see. Okay. Just cut this. Guys. Just cut this. So look at comparator. This is my student. student. So comparator C equal to, so this is my compare method logic, yes or no? So then also I'm getting error here, so I need to copy this. Somewhere we are doing silly mistake, somewhere we are doing some silly mistake. Okay, just paste. Okay, I will write here s1 dot. I need to sort this. I need to sort this. Okay, I will directly. Okay, I understood. I am getting error here. So just look at guys. E1 dot, E1 dot, E1 dot, or S1 dot, S1 dot. Here S1 dot, S2 dot, S2 dot, E1 dot, and this is my second object S2 dot. Okay. So when I write this, when I write this, something is wrong. So okay, just copy, go to Edge browser, Gemini. Okay, look at guys. Okay, what's wrong with this? What's wrong? Yes, correct. I passed here correctly. Then why I am getting error? Okay, I will pass the whole code. Just look at. Okay. I understand. Okay, guys, I understand. So this is my SID. This is my SID. So I write here I2. I2. No, no. This is my SID. So I need to write here S1 dot SID. Yes or no? S1 dot SID. S2 dot SID. Yes or no? So you S1 dot S1 dot SID. SID. S2 dot SID. Okay, I want to sort this data with the help of, I want to sort this data with the help of a SID. Yes or no? So we need to pass here S1, S2. So for that we need object, that is the S1 and S2. Yes or no? So when I copy this code, then see, it will not get any error here, like a Gemini. What's wrong in this code? Okay, guys, I pass here correct after descending. Sorry, SID. So I wrote correctly. Then why it is not giving? Then why it is not giving? Then why it is not giving? Simply write here S1, S1. This is S2. Okay. Now I understood. So we need to write here S1 and S2. You need to write here S1 and S2. Are you understanding, guys? This parameter must be same. This parameter must be same with this. This parameter must be same with this. So that is the point. So we learn new things. That is a this parameter must be same. Okay. Then system dot out dot println. Just look at, guys. al. Okay. Okay. When I print, then definitely I will get the output in the ascending order. I will get the output in the ascending order. Yes or no? So look at, guys, 12, 15 before sorting, or after sorting. I think I'm getting a descending order. So I need to write here. Or change this symbol only. Change. Then definitely I will get in ascending order. Yes or no? So yesterday we discussed comparator. And all about a comparator we discussed here. 12, 15, 13, 32, 32. See here 45, but here I am getting a 32, 45. It's a ascending order or not? It is the ascending order or not? Okay. So next I want to sort with my alphabetical order. How to sort with alphabetical order? Just write here system dot out dot println sort sorting with alphabetical order. Okay, guys. Alphabetical order. Okay. So how to sort with alphabetical order? There is a one method, collections dot sort. Again I will write this class. It will accepting al only. So it will taking one comparator method. Compare to which is available in the comparable interface. There is a one interface is there, comparable, that I want to show you. Just write here comparable. Look at, guys, look at compare method. Compare to method is available or not? Compare to method. Compare to method is available or not in comparable? This is a my comparable interface. Look at compare to method is available. Okay. So how to sort? Just write here. There is compare to method. So s1 dot s1 dot name dot compare to it is expecting s1 dot s2 dot. So how to write a compare to? Just basic syntax I forget, guys. How to write? Just go Edge browser. Sometimes we need to take a help from AI tools like but it is not mean every time we need to go there. Yes or no, guys? So sometimes if you forget syntax, then so what is the syntax? What is syntax of? So I will directly provide. Okay, not sign in. Okay, guys, it is a live chat. Just ask to copilot. check collection dot sort new comparator compare student s1 or compare to new comparator student. Okay, this is my logic. This is logic. Look at guys, compare to is there, compare. Okay, okay. So s1 dot name, s1 dot name. So how to write a s2 dot s2. Are you understanding guys? We need to pass here one lambda expression. We need to pass here lambda expression. Okay. So this is I want sorting with alphabetical order. Just go run Java. Sorting with name. We can say sorting with alphabetical order, but I did not write here, or I did not print data. So just write here air. Just go and print data. Yes, sorting with alphabetical order. Ganesh, Rahul, Ramu, Sagar, Akash. Okay, means it is a descending order. First one is A, Ganesh, Sagar, Ramu, Ganesh. But it is not correct. It is not correct. Yes or no, guys? So what is this? You need to write here. Okay. So remember this topic. We will discuss that later. This is later. I'm not getting an idea about this. So okay. So next topic is that is the anonymous versus lambda expression. Anonymous versus lambda expression. Okay. I'll write here one file that is a test6.java. Test6.java. Write here main method. In this main method, if I want to write an anonymous class, okay, this example you try with yourself. If you have any doubt, then comment me. Definitely I will try to solve. Okay, so here I am getting something error or not clarity. I think I forget. So definitely I will give my best. Okay. So this is my test 6. So main point of today's class is anonymous class versus lambda expression. Suppose I create here one thread t1 equal to new thread. Yes or no? New thread. Then simply write here. This is my object, thread one object. Yes or no, guys? So what I want to write an anonymous class, just simply write here. These curly braces. For this extended class, this is the class. This is the extended class of this class. Are you understanding, guys? Suppose I write here public void run method. Just look at for int I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. If I print here, it is a child thread. Okay, and this is my main thread. So I will write here my main thread. So I will give one for loop only. Just copy this. Don't hard code. Just copy this. This is my main thread. Okay. So look at, guys, how to start this. Just t1 dot start, t1 dot start. There is a one method, start method. Okay, so look at guys, output, we are getting output correct or not? Yes, main thread, child thread, but output maybe change. Sometimes we will get mix output, sometimes we will get mix output, main thread, child thread, main thread. Okay, so this is the multi-threading code. This is a multi-threading code I wrote in this line. This is called as the anonymous inner class. This is called as the anonymous inner class. Are you understanding, guys? This is called as the anonymous class. Okay. So I want to explain like with interface. That is a functional interface. In previous class, we discussed everything about a functional interface. What is a functional interface? How to write a functional interface? Or it contains only a single abstract method. So that is called as a functional interface. Okay. So then, what is the difference between a anonymous inner class and anonymous class, not inner class, anonymous class and functional interface? So look at guys. Suppose I create here one interface, that is a interface. Interface name is a. Okay. If I write here one public void m1 method, then public void m2 method, then we can provide the anonymous class for this interface also, this interface also. So how to write, just go like interface a equal to new a. Okay, this is my anonymous class. Okay, it is not object because we can't create the object for a interface. Why we can't create object for interface? Because it is present only the abstract method, single abstract method. So or we can say only a requirement specification. It does not contain any body, so that's why it can't create object for the interface. That is the rule. Okay, so right here, override public void m1, then override public void m2. Yes, correct or not? We can write here many methods. Suppose I provide this one method here like a public void m3, then yes, we can write or we can override that method into this. We can override, just write here add unimplemented method. Okay, so this is my interface. This is my simple interface. Okay, then how to write for this interface lambda expression. So that is my point. So remember, lambda expression we can convert for only the functional interface, means only a single abstract method. But in anonymous class we can override n number of a single abstract method. It is not meant for only a functional interface, but lambda expression is meant for only a functional interface. Are you understanding, guys? That is the main difference. Anonymous class is more powerful than lambda expression. Anonymous class is more powerful than lambda expression. So that is the point. So how to write a lambda expression for this? Okay, just remember this point here. This object is not created for the interface A. This object is created for this anonymous implemented class. anonymous implemented class. Okay, so if you want to check, then look at guys, system dot a dot get class dot get name. We will get like a something dollar like symbol. Okay, here is public void m2 public void m3. Okay, class dot get name. Look at guys, what output we will get. Test, this is my @1 meaning it is a anonymous class. When we write anonymous class, then dollar symbol will come automatically. Dollar symbol will come automatically. That I want to show. So that's why I wrote this line. Okay. So next point is how to write a lambda expression for this. So if you want to write a lambda expression, then we need only a single abstract method. Then it automatically address functional interface. Okay. Then remove these two method implementation. Just how to convert this into a lambda expression. Just simply a symbol. Right, system dot out of println. This is my show method. Sorry, m1 method. m1 method. There is only one single line, so we can remove curly braces also. Are you understanding, guys? So this is my lambda expression. Okay. So I want to write a lambda expression for a multi-threading environment. How to write a lambda expression for a multi-threading environment? We can achieve a multi-threading in two approaches, with one implement or extending a thread class or implementing a runnable interface. Yes or no, guys? So how to write a lambda expression for a multi-threading environment, that I want to show you. Runnable is a functional interface. It contains only one method, that is a public void run. Yes or no? So right here runnable R. But before going to lambda expression, I want to explain this with anonymous class. Just create here new runnable. Look at guys. I am getting error here. Okay. Okay, look at guys. When I provide here semicolon, immediately I will get error. But when I public void run, I need to write one implemented method here. So @override. Look at guys. When I remove this semicolon, then automatically error will gone. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? So I want to explain conclusion from this example, that is we can't create object for interface. That is my point. When I create object, then it will throw the error. Yes or no? But when I remove, then it is a implemented class. It is a implemented by default. It will behave like a implemented class for this interface. Okay. So how to write? Here I will write int I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5, I plus. Just write here system.out.println. So child thread. Okay, this is my child thread. Want to write this into this is my main thread, this is my main thread. How to start this? I need to create here one thread class object t1 equal to new thread. Yes or no, guys? So just pass this object, just pass this r, just pass this r to this, yes, r. Then definitely t1 thread 1 is created, t1 dot start, t1 dot start. Okay, so look at, guys, look at output, look at the output. Yes, main thread, child thread, main thread, main thread. They are getting a mixed output or not? Mixed output or not? So, yes, main thread, child thread, main thread, child thread. If I run again, if I run again, then definitely I will get different output. Output is not in our hand in multi-threading. So main thread, child thread. Okay, look at, guys. So next I want to explain, this is my functional interface. This is my functional interface. Yes or no, guys? This is my functional interface. So can I replace this functional interface? Can I replace this body with lambda expression? Can I replace with this body with lambda expression? Yes or no? So just how to replace? How to replace? Just remove this. Just remove this. So or we can hold the child object with parent reference. Yes or no? So there is a one method, public void run, public void run. So suppose here is a method, public void run method is there. So what is the meaning of lambda expression? Just remove the name, means anonymous function, anonymous function. Just remove the name, remove the return type, remove the return type, remove the modifier, remove the modifier, and just put here one arrow symbol. Just put here one arrow symbol. It is the meaning of, it is the meaning of lambda expression. So because of this symbol, compiler will identify this is a lambda expression, this is the lambda expression. Yes or no? So just provide here body, just provide here one body for int I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. System.out.println, right here child thread, child thread. Okay, look at, guys, definitely we will get output like before. Yes, main thread, child thread, main thread, child thread. So I hope you understood what is the difference between anonymous class and lambda expression. So anonymous class is a more powerful than lambda expression. Lambda expression we can write for only functional interface, but anonymous class we can write for any interface. Any means n number of methods are not only a single abstract method. If n number of unimplemented methods are there or abstract methods are there in interface, then we can write a anonymous class for that. If our requirement is where the anonymous class is written for only a single abstract method, then we can replace with this lambda expression. So this is the point. I hope you understood all this, what I want to say, or what I explained everything about anonymous class versus lambda expression. Okay. So thank you, guys. We will meet in next session. So with a new topic. So for until that point, bye bye. So thanks for watching, guys.